What's the main reason for American invasion of Venezuela and taking into captivity the Venezuelan president Nicolás Maduro and his wife? A lot of experts argue that the main reason for American invasion is the intent of America to take into control or seize the huge oil reserves that Venezuela is sitting on. Venezuela is sitting on 303 billion barrels of oil, which America is interested in. But motive is much more deeper than mere control over oil. That would be one reason. But the real reason is because Venezuela and the Venezuelan president had challenged dollar domination. Please remember that there is a pattern. Whenever a leader challenged dollar domination, America responded brutally to bring down the regime, to even kill the leader also sometimes. For instance, in 2000, when Saddam Hussein had declared that he was willing to trade his oil for currencies other than dollar, and he began oil trade through euros, America responded brutally. In 2003, America accused Saddam Hussein and his regime of planning and conspiring to build weapons of mass destruction. America invaded Iraq. America captured Saddam Hussein, tried and hanged him. A similar story we can see in American dealing with Colonel Gaddafi. When Colonel Gaddafi tried to project himself as a pan-African leader and also declared his intention to introduce golden dinar as a major reason or major means for oil trade, America again responded. This time, America had spread a false narrative against the regime, made him dispopular, fueled popular discontentment, which ultimately led to a movement in Libya to bring down Colonel Gaddafi and also to sodomize and brutally kill him. This was how America responded. We see the same pattern again emerge in Venezuela. In 2018, after America had imposed sanctions on Venezuela, the Venezuelan president Maduro declared his intention to free Venezuela of dollar domination and dollar control. He declared his intention to engage in oil trade in currencies outside dollar. He in fact started oil trade with the Chinese yuan. He also declared his intention to free Venezuela of all other American financial institutions and leverages like the SWIFT system. Now this was a direct challenge to dollar domination. Now please remember, Venezuela is not like Iraq or Libya. Venezuela was sitting on such huge resources of oil with which it could actually finance de-dollarization. This threat was more imminent and more serious, which required American intervention. And that's the reason why America, in total disregard to all international norms and conventions, invaded Venezuela, captured the head of the state, imprisoned him, shackled him, and is now trying him. The future for Venezuela seems uncertain.